So our bus broke down. It looks like a rod of some sort went right through the engine, so we have to get our whole engine replaced, which we're being told is like a $20,000 fix. Yikes. We still have the nanny bus right over there. You can't really see it. And then we have our car with the roof bag. We started working with Hay Trip for their cots. I literally now have a cot to sleep in, which is incredible. That's fun. We got 2 cots. I'm actually gonna bring them both. Why not? But anyway, we're packing up this car because we're not missing our show tonight. We're gonna be playing in Whitby tonight. We have a tow truck coming to take this guy to get it fixed. We will fill you in as we go.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
Goodbye, home. Say bye, home.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving this.
Maybe we rose so fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna.
We're dropping it off here. It's gonna be about a week, he said. So that's great news. Also, more great news. All right, well, sad because we're not gonna be able to have our bus at the camp that we're playing music at. And man, I really wished it was gonna be there, but that's okay. But we thought this was gonna be between a $20,000 to $40,000 fix. It's gonna be under 10 grand, which is great because when you have an emergency fund, that's what it's for. So that's great news.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray.
The Lord takes care of us everywhere we go. So while we're here this week at this campground that we're playing music at, we have a friend who let us have this trailer for free for the whole entire week, and it's awesome. It's got air conditioner, toilets, showers. We have everything we need. We even have the nanny bus parked here. It's gonna be a great week. I'm super excited.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, last one. Whee! Oh, right next to the card.
Well, we just got here to Wesley Acres. We're hanging out here in Bloomfield, Ontario. It's so beautiful, so exciting to be here, but there's like a hole in our hearts because our bus is not here. Our home is not here. It's 4 hours away in a parking lot at a mechanic shop trying to get fixed. So today, the update is that they are looking for a new engine, and so that's what's currently happening right now. They're out and about looking for an engine that matches ours. 5.9 Cummins, and we're hoping that it's an easy switch, really quick, and within 2 to 3 days we can go pick it up. That's the goal, that's the hope. And until then, we're staying at our friend Ann Elliott's trailer. It's super cozy. We got AC, toilets, beds, bunk beds, we're good. In that regard, we're fine. We may not have our bus with us, but we still have our anchor. This guy comes with us everywhere. We've been plugging in all of our sound, all of our gear, our speakers, amps, guitars. We're about to play outside in a field tonight, which means we're gonna have to set up this anchor to get some sound and to get some power. I'm gonna pack up all of our stuff in this building, move it outdoors, because everyone's gonna be outdoors. They ain't gonna be in here. They wanna be outside in the sun, so that's where we're going. About to do some music on the beach, and you know what that means. Time to bring out the anchor. So we're heading over there to where our equipment is, way down there, and we're gonna load it onto a golf cart and take it all the way down to the beach, and then that's where we're gonna do it. Oh, but before we do that, we just got some excellent news, and that news is the bus mechanic called me back and they said that they found an engine with only 119,000 miles. They're gonna swap that engine out with our broken engine, and we should be getting our bus back next week, midweek, sometime. By the time that this vlog comes out, it'll only be a few more days and then we'll get the bus. So we'll make sure that next week's vlog will be us reuniting with our bus, which is just gonna be a very wonderful video. But I think the golf cart is here. There it is, Mr. Peter in the flesh.
We're here at Wesley Acres at the beach, and one of the great things that we get to experience with our Anchor F2000 is being able to have a concert at the beach, no problems. We have all of the power that we need right here. So we're gonna kind of take you guys through that process. Oh, I forgot we're in Canada. I need to speak Canadian. Okay, so we're gonna take you through kind of a detailed account of everything that we use in our music setup and what that looks like. Try not to judge how dirty this is, okay? We use it a lot outside. This is the Boss ME80. So this is like all of Shane's like cool guitar effects. He likes to call them his ethereal guitar sounds. This is the guitar tuner. This is very important to our sound because nothing is more icky than an out of tune guitar. Am I right?
Right.
This is always the star of the show. This is our drummer, Bruce. He's a machine, literally. The Boss RC300 is a loop pedal. You may or may not have heard of a man named Ed Sheeran. Well, he's the guy that made this super famous. And back in the day when he first popped onto the scene, we were inspired to start using this. So all of these kind of like record and then play back different tracks, and Shane can like layer it all, and that's how he makes a whole sound when we're on stage. We usually have a really cool keyboard. It's a Korg. It has like tube amps and all kinds of awesome sounds. But sadly, because the bus broke down, we did not have room to bring the keyboard with us. It's like super heavy, it's really big, and we were kind of trying to bring like 2 weeks worth of our possessions on the road with us in the tiny car in the nanny bus. So the keyboard did not make the cut. This is one of my favorites, this tall guy right here. Oh, and this tall guy right here. So this is the Bose. What is this, Shane? What is this model? L1. This is the Bose L1 tower. This is our main speaker. It's really cool because it has speakers that like shoot out in all different directions. So we kind of just use it. We don't even have a monitor. We just use this as a monitor. So this is first speaker. This is the thumper. It's just like a QSC speaker that normally people would like mount on a stand, but we put it on this setting called deep. And so then it kind of acts as a subwoofer. It's where all of the low end in our sound comes from. Get out of my shot.
So this is the power box. What do you call this?
Surge protector?
Surge protector that we plug in everything. So we plug everything into this, and then we plug this into the Anchor. And that's, folks, is how we get our sound.
You guys need an extension cord?
No!
It says that he divided the building into 3 companies, and he placed all of the torches.
Well, hey everybody. Thanks again for joining us this week.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, thanks. So we have the nanny bus still here, which is great, but I think Wednesday, possibly sometime midweek, next week, we're picking up the bus, and we're gonna make sure we'll take you on that journey with us. Can all be reunited with the big bus together. So thank you for being here. Please subscribe, please like, please follow, please share if you like these videos. If not, then I guess don't, Any last words, Emily?
No.
Anything? Like, how do you get your hair like that or something? Nothing like that?
I mean, I could talk about that, but you said that that's not like our vibe.
I never said that.
No.
Yeah.
You wanna know how I got my hair like this?
Yeah, why not?
Overnight heatless curling rod. Just kidding. This is natural. This always is. I'm just kidding. This is the first thing.
Well, thanks for being here, everybody. We'll see you next week. You guys are awesome. Yeah, you.
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors, summer love. Memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors, summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise